can do. No. Oh my Lord. There's nothing we can do, man. Wait, Tanika, wait. There's nothing you can do. It's best for you to stay in the truck, man. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord, bro. Somebody dead. Somebody dead, bro. Oh my Lord. Ew. Oh my Lord, it's an 18 wheeler coming. Oh my Lord. Come on. We safe, baby. We safe. Come on, man. Oh my God. Hold somebody, we barely, man, we ain't touched nobody. Ain't that song? We ain't touched nobody. We ain't touched nobody.
With our body camera, so okay.
Okay. Doing all right?
Yeah. That's excellent. I couldn't even imagine what we're going through here.
Right. John, X-Ray Robert, 7761, Ohio.
It's on the other side. I did the same.
Okay.
It's not much left of anything.
Okay. You doing all right?
Yeah.
All right. Just checking on you. Huh?
I think right now we're at 3.
Oh yeah.
There's one trapped in there that's still talking.
That's good.
One of the fatals was this car right here.
Okay. Where are the other two on the other side?
They're underneath. That red semi being held up by the crane.
Okay.
They're underneath that.
Okay. LT call you to do your walk around with this? Is that
No, he didn't. I just
okay?
did it.
I'm gonna walk around. I guess Recon called and wanted us to walk around.
I can the vehicles for the fatal, so I'll just use yours.
That's fine. I'll tag it. Hey, we got a dash cam on that one. Okay.
It's actually. It was in there. We cut the windshield off. I think it's the one that got passed.
Okay. Do you know which one it was?
It's the.
This car here?
No, it was in the first unit. One back over there.
Okay.
One of the DOAs.
Okay. All right. Do you know which one? That was one from the commercial?
I can walk you to it.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
All right. Yeah.
Just so we know where it came from.
Trailer, Tom 63, one X-ray, Tom 63.
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Maybe it might help. I don't know.
Well, anything will help at this point.
Yeah.
Can't hurt. Thank you.
Yep.
I'm going to give this to you.
Hopefully it's.
Yeah, I mean,
Get something out of it.
yeah, all we can do is try.
I want to see the forward face.
Sorry? Just stand by at this point. I mean, I don't know what else you can do.
Watching 1423. You walk in the incident, they'll have a dash camera device from one of the vehicles involved. I'll be storing in my vehicle. Okay. That's right. Nobody had much of there. 1531, any units on scene? Are you by any of the school buses? Can we get one of them back here to transport from MB4 to the hotels off of the 118? Okay. There's one actually backing out. You might be headed that way now. I'll double check. Okay, we just have a bunch of people that are ready to go to the house.
and the white truck.
Are you one of the drivers?
Yeah.
Because they're taking everybody to the maintenance building. You should be going over there to one of the buses.
Oh, okay.
So that you're not getting too cold.
Is it the orange truck? Is it got one guy inside the car, the white car?
They're getting them.
No, this one is the older one.
Right, I know there's people over there working too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I see for two hours ago.
One of those days, right? I don't think anybody's there at this point.
This is ridiculous. It's snow and fog mixed together, and it made the visibility down to 0. And oh, watch out! Oh God! My car is gone. I need to get all my shit out of my car, but it's too dangerous. And it's on fire. Oh, look at that! I need to get off the road! This is crazy! My car! No! Look at that fire! Oh my God! This is crazy, man! What am I going to do about the charger? My charger! Oh my gosh! I don't know what that truck is on. Oh my God, those fires is crazy over there. I'm not going over there. I'm gonna check out the action over here. Woo! She don't remember the car she was driving. Man, I think it's good. I'm gonna try to see if I can start saving people if they're hurt. So, oh my God, that fire. Oh man, I'm gonna go see if I can help someone. I gotta let you guys go. I'm sorry.
I know.
God, please. If I didn't come on this side of the road, I'm gone. That's why I was thinking, I was like,
Just me in the car. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. There's a car in the middle of the road with no lights on. I don't know. And then I don't know. I saw lights on the side of the road, and I looked straight, and there's a car right in the middle.
Hey, watch out.
shoulder. There's a Hispanic female walking southbound, Hispanic male following her about 20 feet behind, and the male appeared to be yelling at the X-ray. Southbound.
I just got it a few months ago.